Oh, that's terrible.
Okay, let's see. How about silver snow fountain?
I want to see the snow and the silver. Oops.
Ooh.
Oh. Didn't that look the same as the other one?
No, the other one was a little different. But it's basically the same thing.
Yeah, this is my kind of speed.
Through this one. So go ahead. You gotta worry about. Yeah, don't worry. Yeah, you do it. Yeah, take all that stuff. I don't care.
Oh wow.
Pretty good.
Doesn't seem right having a firecracker in a box.
Yeah, that's true. That's okay. Yeah, actually, you're doing pretty good. How about Mr. Crackle? This sounds like a real winner. Are you ready for Mr. Crackle?
I don't know. Should we clear the neighborhood?
Yeah. There's what I'm Lord.
It's a bit windy for your lighter.
Mr. Crackle don't want to crackle.
Here we go. Oh wow.
This crackle pretty impressive. That wasn't bad at all. Pyro fan. Alright. Let's get fun. I think Mr. Crackle might be. Yeah, just a box enough for you. Oh look!
Oh wow.
The other one finally got going. Maybe this one lit that one.
That's pretty spectacular.
Oh, I gave him up for dead.
This is why we didn't take it back inside. Uh-oh.
This is it. Grand finale. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh.
The color shock. He's pretty good. Ta-da. The grand finale.